In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make lines with endpoints in Canva. This is perfect for diagrams, flowcharts, and annotations, where you want clarity at a glance. Start by opening the project you want to work on. With your design in view, look to the left-hand side of the editor and click Tools. In that panel, find the line icon and select it. Choose the straight line option so you're working with a simple, clean line. Canva will drop a line onto your canvas, and you'll also see a dedicated toolbar appear along the top of the editor for that line. That toolbar is where the endpoint magic happens. Look for the controls labeled Line Start and Line End. Click Line Start to decide what the beginning of your line should look like. You'll see a small menu with styles you can apply. For basic professional diagrams, the square endpoint is a solid choice. If you'd like something more distinctive, pick the diamond. And if you want a minimal indicator without extra bulk, the vertical line works well. Once you select the style for the starting end, you can repeat the same process for line end to style the other side of your line, so both ends match or intentionally contrast. You can drag your line to reposition it anywhere on the canvas. To adjust length or angle, drag either handle at the ends. If your line isn't perfectly horizontal or vertical, try aligning it visually with nearby elements. Zooming in slightly can help with precision when placing endpoints right where you need them. If the toolbar isn't visible, make sure the line is selected by clicking it once. As you fine-tune, keep an eye on how the endpoint shapes interact with your layout. Square ends read as stable and technical, diamonds stand out in flowcharts or decision points, and vertical line caps are subtle for captions or connectors. If your line feels too heavy or too light against your design, use the same toolbar to adjust weight and color so the endpoints remain easy to see without overwhelming the page. When everything looks right, click away from the line to deselect it and preview your design. That's all there is to making clean, clear lines with custom endpoints in Canva. Open your project, add a straight line, set the line start and line end styles, and you're done. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!